am a mentor in a children's hospital school, and the purpose of our mentoring is to identify the barriers that exist to young people's education and then work with that student to set goals which will help them to remove those barriers and to more readily engage in their education. The cohorts whom I work with have mental health difficulties, so a lot of the work that we do is bringing that into mind, bringing into mind how those mental health difficulties might impact upon how they're able to access their education.